Hey y'all, it's Chineza. Welcome back to my channel for my weekly reset routine. We're starting the new month off by not only decluttering our spaces, but also our mindsets too. This November, I encourage you to take inventory on what things, habits, or even people may need to go in order for you to be the best version of yourself. Put the no in November and say no to things which no longer serve you. There's nothing like a fresh start, plus, why wait until a new year when you can start now? I dug deep and thought hard about what this meant for me, and a few of my no's are saying no to self-sabotaging behavior, saying no to taking on more than I can handle, saying no to rushing, which means managing my time better, saying no to accepting anything less than I deserve, and saying no as a complete sentence, because listen, it is. As y'all can see, this laundry bag was filled to the brim, okay? It was about that time to do laundry a minute ago, but your girl was avoiding it. But it felt nice to just kind of be able to do everything at once. This was about 2 loads of laundry. I also got a few new items in from Sephora, some that I've tried before, some that are new, and I'm excited to put everything to use, especially my new Forever Mood candle. When I'm cleaning, I especially love listening to worship songs, and of course I had my faves Maverick City music on the aux. It's just something about them that gets me all the way in the spirit, so connected to God, and just feeling so good. Next up on the cleaning list was the bathroom, which oddly enough I actually enjoy doing. I like to clean as needed during the week, so whether that's spraying down the mirror when I see some streaks, or cleaning the countertops just when there's any water or anything like that, it helps me to not have stuff pile up so it's never extremely dirty or too time consuming when it's time for a deep clean, because one thing about me, y'all know I cannot stand a mess. So just being able to do this little by little helps me to, maintain a clean space. If you're the type to get easily overwhelmed about a lot of clutter or mess, I definitely recommend that you try out this method of cleaning as you go. It's definitely going to be a game changer. And the best part of this is that it goes for any room or space that you may have. A little bit of cleaning every day will go a long way and just bring you peace of mind. Now it's time to go ahead and put my monthly calendar into use. I got this one from Target for about $15 and it's already been so helpful. Being able to see a whole month ahead lets me stay on task more and be able to know when upcoming important days are, whether it be a deadline for submitting to a brand, an upcoming trip, or a loved one's birthday. And can y'all believe that it is November just like that? I feel like 2021 just flew by. Like, I'm talking express first class flight, like, you know what? But it's all good. As we move into this holiday season and the end of the year, I want to go into it with ease, choosing faith over fear and peace of mind over everything. There are a few key goals that I'd like to accomplish over the next few months, and instead of stressing over it, I'm putting my total trust in God, knowing that He'll work it all out on my behalf. Now it's time to break things down and plan out the week ahead, and as y'all can see, I'm munching while writing, and it's on these crispy rice bites. Think Rice Krispie treats, but like the healthy version with fruit. It's just mad good. Y'all gotta try it. You can get it at Kroger. I love being able to see what's on my plate for the week at a glance and to be able to go more in depth than my calendar allows. And this also comes in clutch when it comes to use my daily to-do list because I can just pull right from there. Yes, y'all are seeing this correctly. Your girl is putting her laundry away on the same day that she did it, okay? No more procrastination over here. A lot of the time, these little tasks that we avoid really just need a few minutes of our time, and when you're done, you're gonna be left feeling so accomplished. I know I was. One of the last things that I did to prepare for the week ahead was to draft out captions for Instagram. I actually only got to one just because my mind was kind of not really letting the other ones flow, but I was able to finalize the edits that I'd be using, so the time was still well spent. For the rest of the night, I ended up treating myself to dinner and getting wine just in time for Insecure to come on. It was such a great day. Thank you all so much for staying tuned, and I'll see you back next time. Have a great week ahead.